Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an array and fill it with a specific value. We'll be using JavaScript's array_fill method for this task. This is especially useful when you need default values in arrays. Let's dive in and break down how this simple but powerful code works. Our goal is to create an array of a certain size filled with a specific value. If no value is given, we'll use 0 as the default. This function simplifies the process of preparing arrays for use. Let's see how JavaScript makes this easy with built-in methods. This function takes two arguments, the length n and the value val. We use array n to create a new array of size n. Then fill val populates every slot with the specified value. If no value is passed, it fills the array with 0. The function starts by creating an empty array with n elements. Using fill val, each element gets initialized with the same value. The process is compact, fast, and efficient in JavaScript. It also supports a default value if none is provided. Here are some examples that show how the function behaves. Passing 5 and 2 creates 5 2's in an array. If no second argument is passed, it defaults to 0. This flexibility makes it great for quick array setup. This technique is very handy in real-world apps and projects. It helps in setting up grids, placeholder arrays, and more. You can use it in games, dashboards, or testing tools. It saves time and keeps your code clean and efficient. Just to sum up, initializing arrays with fill is fast and simple. It works with a default value or a custom one. This approach is used widely in many JavaScript applications. Thank you for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.